Did a recent driver update cause problems with your hardware? You may be able to return to the previous driver using Device Manager. In this guide, I'll show you how to roll back a driver safely and check if it fixes the issue. First, open Start and search for Device Manager. Select it from the results to open the Hardware Management window. Next, find the hardware that started having problems after the driver update. Expand the appropriate category, such as display adapters, network adapters, or sound, video, and game controllers. Right-click the device and select Properties, then open the Driver tab. Here you'll find information about the currently installed driver and several driver management options. Look for the Rollback driver button. If it's available, click it. Windows may ask why you're rolling back the driver. Select the reason that best matches your situation and continue. Windows will ask you to confirm the rollback. Select Yes and wait while Windows restores the previous driver. Your screen may briefly change, especially when rolling back a graphics driver. After the rollback finishes, restart your computer. This helps Windows fully apply the previous driver. Once you're back on the desktop, test the hardware that was having problems. Return to Device Manager, open the device's properties, and check the Driver tab again. You can compare the driver date and version to confirm that the previous driver is now installed. If rollback driver is grayed out, Windows may not have the previous driver available. In that case, you can check the manufacturer's official website for an older compatible driver. So make sure you choose one specifically designed for your hardware and Windows version. And that's how to roll back a driver in Device Manager. It's especially useful when a recent update causes a new problem. If the rollback fixes the issue, you can keep the working driver until a newer compatible version is available.